You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore.
Sup, guys? Welcome back, and let's get on with the show. So, Bitcoin just closed with a bullish engulfing candle. I guess if you saw the show yesterday, Ethereum was leading the way. I did say there was a possibility because just a moment, Ethereum did look like it was building bullish divergence. So, looks like just a moment. Okay, so looks like Ethereum led the way, and Bitcoin just closed above the very critical levels, as you guys can see. I mean, this bearish engulfing candle is invalid now because we took the whole body with the new one, a new bullish engulfing candle. For hourly, we are like building positive momentum. It is continuing on the MACD. Let's go back to daily. We are still in bearish territories. We are not oversold anymore. And we held those very critical levels. That's what's important, because I did make a short earlier in the morning, I think, and the minute I saw this action going on, I made a short clip on YouTube to like tell you guys about what I'm seeing, and looks like we held out of it and we broke. Because my question was, okay, we were like breaking out of it then when I made the video, but the important question was, are we gonna close above it? And indeed we did. And since we did, now I'm looking at next targets, of course. But before we get into that, let's look at what TA is telling us so far and what candlesticks are telling us so far. So, just a minute. So, we are making like a higher low right now on the 4 hourly. But before I continue saying stuff, like right now I am like still kind of bearish, like on the overall like market. But we are having a short relief rally, like I've been saying that for a few days, okay? So I don't want people to confuse that with that. But if we see any confirmation suggesting otherwise, of course, then I'm also gonna change my views about it. But till then, if there's no confirmation, we have no factors, strong factors telling us, okay, now it's like reversing, I'm still like sticking to this being a short relief rally, okay? So, first of all, we held this level perfectly, like we didn't break below 20,300. We didn't close any candle below it. For a few hours we held. We held in a very good way. So this short-term moving average was kind of holding, okay? Good, which is good. We kind of saw that if we looked into the shorter terms, the 10-minute chart, right here after this downtrend, we kind of saw like there was a shift going on, like something was changing, and then we had this beautiful hammer candle, okay? And we never got below this level. We were just holding here, and then we had this bullish engulfing candle, okay? You can see this as an inverted hammer if you like. It was still taken out by this full-bodied green candle, so we continued and we broke above 20,400, 20,300. We actually like held and then broke above it and retested this area and then just jumped off. So it was like clear to see on the 15 minutes, 10 minutes. Just a minute, guys. 15 minutes, 10 minutes, but a bit more difficult maybe to see here. But if you're watching the show, or if you're watching the shorts, or if you're watching the charts, you should have been like keeping an extra eye on this level. It's been like very, very important for a long time, and this level, like very critical levels. Okay, so we did not have any bearish divergence like we did, but it didn't play out. Sorry, I mean we did have a bearish divergence on the MACD, but it was like outplayed by the bulls, so it didn't play out. And now we're building positive momentum again. On the daily, we don't have any bullish divergence. Like the oscillators are just like going with the price. On the 4-day and 3 days, I do like what's going on. We do have some type of bullish divergence going on, and I like this wick, the strong wick to the upside. And we never even came like this is good so far, so good. Like 2 days is good, okay? I mean 2 days we have left, we got 2 days left, and it's good so far. We will see how it closes in 2 days too. Guys, sorry, I was sleeping. I just woke up because my alarm went off, so I came to make this live. But it's like 2 a.m. where I am, so it's very, very late. I'm like exhausted. These live streams have been making me tired, but I've been keeping you up to date. Like I don't know, like I'm really trying my best. I don't think if you're subscribed and you watched my shorts, it's impossible that you missed this this warning when I said, okay, we are above. Like, keep an eye. Are we gonna close above it? If we do, this happens. You see? So anyways, I'm expecting Bitcoin to keep on going at least to 22.5. Like, there is not much holding us until these areas. Let's see. Yeah, literally like around these areas. So until around 22.5, I don't see anything like stopping us to go further. Wait, wait, wait. Hold on. I see something like every time I draw lines, there is a reason for it. So wait, what is this? Where is this coming from? Let me just think for a minute. Okay, we do have some resistance. Yeah, okay, I see. We do have a little resistance around around 23,600 areas around. Remember, I always say not to the dot, but around. Okay, so we do have some resistance here. We will see if Bitcoin takes it out when it comes like closer to these areas. We'll keep an eye on the candlesticks and everything, what TA is telling us. Otherwise, TA is respected. I mean, we broke out. We are respecting it. We ended with a bullish engulfing candle. We are losing negative momentum on the oscillator, on the MACD, I mean, sorry. Let's have a look at weekly. Look, every time I look at weekly, like I do not like it except for the bullish divergence going on the MACD. There is none on the RSI, just on the MACD. But what bumps me out is we are below long-term moving average. Price is below that level. So look guys, this is like normal after all this like chaos. It's normal if we come back and try to retest like these highs. It doesn't mean we're doing anything then. I'm only gonna be convinced if something else happens, which we will get into later or in another stream, because there is no need to talk about it now because like I said, like we need some retest. Even if this was the bottom, like some retest is gonna be happening. It's most likely. So at least wait for that before like being hopeful like that this is the end of the crash and all that, you know. So step by step, level by level. I'm just drinking my tea guys, so that's why I'm quiet sometimes. um okay, let's look at the bearish things that could happen because we are above it right now. Okay, good. We retested and we opened like above this critical line. Okay, good. But if we come back lower, okay, if we come back lower, we are looking at 1900. If we break 20,000 and we close anything above it, I mean below it, sorry, we are looking at around 1900, okay? But right now, we have to agree that this trend line, key level, is holding, right? We can't like say no to that. So this is holding so far. And good thing, another good thing I can see now, short-term moving average is above long-term and mid-term. I do not like that this is Trying to go back up right now. We are above short-term moving average on the 4-hourly, but on the daily, no, of course not. And look, the prices we are talking about, it could retest back to, is like somewhere I can imagine like this short-term moving average coming back down as prices like going up a little bit, and then they touch and then it gets rejected, maybe. But if it holds, we could come back and test maybe, I don't know, 28. Like maybe, but that's like far off, okay? I'm heading more for, let's see 22.6. After we see 22.6, let's talk other levels, but level by level. So this is Bitcoin, and let's look if Ethereum actually, let me just change music just a moment. And by the way, guys, sorry, this is Dana. Welcome. I keep on forgetting to introduce myself because I'm in a hurry to do TA. But welcome, and hope all of you are fine. And I don't know if it's nighttime or daytime there, but hope all of you are doing a good, like having a good day. And remember, this is not financial or investment advice. You guys know that this is my opinion. I'm just showing you traditional TA, what I can do, what I know. And if you feel like you're learning and you find value, consider subscribing, please, and smash that like, show your love, okay? And comment, let me know what you think about the market. But most importantly, subscribe, because you know that's the way you can show support and beat this, you know, algorithm, because YouTube has some difficulty like putting me out there when people search for Bitcoin stuff. And yeah, I've searched myself, I couldn't find myself, I don't know why. But yeah, if you subscribe, maybe it would help. Anyways, guys, we are going above it. I like this action completely. Changing music, just a moment before I go on with Ethereum. Dance and electronic or classical? Classical? Yes, okay. So, I hope you guys can hear me well and all that. So, we hold above 20,700, we are good. We break below it, be careful, like, be careful. I would if I went in somewhere here, I'd have my stop loss somewhere around these areas. Like, just be careful, because I mean, if you went long, like, be careful. But it's good. It's looking good. Now you can probably move it to these areas just in case. So, Ethereum USDT. Oh, I've been waiting for this one. The one that paved the way. What were we saying yesterday on yesterday's show? It's showing bullish divergence. And I said, like, in 2 or 3 streams now, what if Ethereum is gonna show the way this time? And looks like it is. I mean, it did. This is not the first time Ethereum sometimes leads the way. Look, this is so beautiful. I mean, look at this. Okay, look at this. bullish divergence on the daily. Okay, we held critical levels. We never really closed anything below this level around 1040, which was crucial. Why is my trend line up there? It's supposed to be just a moment here. Okay, around 1050. We never closed anything below it for a few days now, okay? And this bullish divergence, and we were very, very oversold. I mean, we were oversold for a few days. So we're back to bearish territory, bearish neutral levels. And we closed with a nice bullish engulfing candle. We took out this candle, which is like looking like heaven, perfect. Because this was looking a bit like worrying, but there was no follow through, so good, okay? 4-hourly, if you guys see, we also have a bullish divergence on the 4-hourly on the MACD. I mean, Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin a little bit. We have to, like, we can't say no to that either because we see that happening. I mean, it's looking fine. We are about to come to, I mean, bullish territory on the RSI. But on the daily, if you guys look at it this way, we are ranging. It's like we are inside a box. Let me just highlight it like this real fast. Do you guys see what I mean? So we are like, this is some sideways sideways action going on. So it would be good to see if we can break out of 1195. Until then, we have nothing holding us until like 1,460 areas, $1,460. So Ethereum looking interesting, very interesting. We do have some resistance around, by the way, 1,251, but otherwise it's not looking bad. Ethereum is actually not looking so horrible. I still think we are in a bear market overall, but you know what I mean. Right now it's not looking bad. We do have resistance here too. Hold on. Sometimes when I just look at the chart, I see it right here. Hold on. Gotta mark this. Right here. Okay. We are at resistance areas, okay? So eyes wide open. Be careful. Yeah, this is definite resistance. We didn't break out of this. So if we break out of $1,170 area, and then, wow, we have a lot of resistance. I'm just seeing this. Wow. And then this one, okay, we break out of 1,161, then we have 1,280 resistance, then we have Next target around 1476. Yeah, people will be taking profits at all these areas, so watch out, keep an eye. Let's zoom into the lower time frames to see what's going on. I hope we don't close like this. That wouldn't be nice. There is some type of bearish divergence. It's happening. Like there is some type of bearish divergence on the hourly, okay? So cautious, cautious, Ethereum. Cautious. I guess the time to get in was like around these areas when you saw like the bullish divergence happening and then this candle taking out like both this one and this one, kind of, and then opening above these like critical areas, $1,076. Because you guys see we held it here and we held here around these areas, so we held again and we went up. But be careful now, be careful. I do not like this hourly. Oh, okay, 10 minutes is looking even worse. I mean, we break 1141. Crap. We're probably gonna go lower again. If we close above it at least, so crap. Okay, we like let's try to hold these levels. Let's try so we can see some type of continuation, but I do not like this because look guys, there's so much bearish divergence right here, so much. Shooting star. Another shooting star. All this. And then this, it's 10 minutes, yes, but it's telling us a lot. We gotta hold these levels. We have to hold it. We have to hold. So we can see some more movement to the upside. Otherwise, it's worrisome. Again, I mean, it's not worrisome. Like, I'm just saying it's worrisome because you should expect it. Next. What's going? Let's just see what's going on with Bitcoin on the 10-minute chart. Sometimes you have to zoom in, sometimes you have to zoom out. Holding critical areas. Still above, we still haven't closed once today below 21,000. I guess that's good, but now Ethereum is not showing a good sign. And since it led the way to the upside, it might lead the way to the downside too. Look, this is what I mean. Yes, it went up, it's going up. I wouldn't be shocked if Bitcoin goes up after all this downtrend. Same with Ethereum, but we have to keep in mind what's the like market sentiment right now? It's bearish still. Like these are just short relief rallies. The other day I called this a dead cat bounce. What Bitcoin is doing? Because I thought dead cat bounces was when the market, like is in a downtrend and then it has this little mini bounce while it's in a downtrend to the upside and then it fails and then, comes back down. And then this guy in Twitter, I think his Twitter name is, I don't want to say it wrong, Crypto Burb or Burb Nest. he is a TA analyst as well, um, but he's certified, I think. Um, Anyways, he corrected me and he was like, no, that is like when markets, like when the projects are crashing, when projects are going bad, when they're going left, and that happens, like a dead cat bounce happens, then that's what a dead cat bounce is referred like to at that moment, not in a normal like downtrend or something. But I told him thank you for that, for him like letting me know that, and I was gonna look it up. I still haven't looked it up because that was the first time I was hearing that for a dead cat bounce, there must be some fundamental, like, bad news behind it first. So you can call it a dead cat bounce when it bounces, like, off a level, even though there is something bad going on fundamentally. What I've read mostly is that it happens in downtrends, um, and then it just bounces up, and then the bounce just fails, like, as fast as it came, and that's it. But yeah, it's important to to keep an open mind and always you know learn and listen to others who might know more than you do. Like I know, like I'm good in TA and stuff, but what do I always tell you guys? I've learned from I learned from masters. So there are masters, above me. You see what I mean? So, like, there are so many that are also so much better, so much better that we learn from. So, you always have to keep an open mind because you don't know what you learn. You don't know what you can learn. Like, as long as you have an open mind and you're willing to learn, as long as you want to grow. And I like people like who want to like teach you something and stuff. I'm myself that way, so kudos to all these type of people. As long as they're not teaching you bad things and in the wrong way, and they don't mean anything, they don't have any bad intentions, kudos to them. Because some people do have personal intentions. So yeah, Ethereum and Bitcoin, like this could just. That's why I said like it's important to hold these levels because it could also just break down and then that's it. But what this candle is telling us, and this is not saying so to be like, let's be like, let's just read TA, no opinions, okay? These are not weak candles. Let's give it some time. Let's give it a little time. I mean, you can also make money in bear trends. This is the thing. If you know the levels, the critical levels, you can also make money in bear trends. So if you bought here again after going out somewhere around these areas, you're good. Let's get on with some altcoins. Okay, let's have a look at XRP USDT for a start. I know I usually don't do this, but let's have a look because I saw something interesting in CoinMarketCap. Where was it? Oh, is this still going on? What's going on? We can have a look at Luna maybe later or next time. Right. Coin market cap. XRP is above Cardano. Interesting, right? It flipped Cardano. Crazy stuff. So that's why I think we should have a look at XRP, okay? So let's see now. We have to do this because I haven't looked at XRP for a while. So we have to like dig deep a little bit now, okay? So we are holding critical levels, but I don't see any reversal signals or anything going on the monthly. It looks horrible, if anything. Like it looks bad. It doesn't look good on the monthly. Weekly. Oh, there is bullish divergence on the weekly. There's actual bullish divergence on the weekly, okay? Keep that in mind, which is a good thing, like not bad. Hold up, let me just check something. Okay, we have a hammer. Let's see how this closes. But we do have a hammer, and we do have bullish divergence building. It's not complete yet, but it's building. That's why there's a possibility it fails too, so it's not complete yet, okay? But there is a hammer. And we held like, maybe I should mark it, guys, so you can see. Oh, I'm in the wrong chart, just a minute. Okay. Weekly is holding nice, like we touched critical areas and we bounced off it. Like this was, if you guys can see, this was a crucial level, okay? Look, it's acting as support up here, resistance too, so critical levels. We held. We have a hammer. It's interesting. This is why I'm like, I think it's like, I don't like this candle, no, but this is a hammer, so Anyways, let's head into the next part. Bullish divergence on the daily that is playing out now, like it happened. It built, and we're seeing it like we're seeing the result right now. This is a bullish engulfing candle. We are kind of breaking out of a range too. You see all these boxes I keep on marking. This looks like one too. Just a moment. Yeah, guys, we are ranging. Look what's so funny with this range going on here. The trend line that's crucial, that's a key level, okay, is aligning with the heart line as well. Like everything just aligns. This is why when you do TA and you see one thing aligns with the other and one thing aligns with the other, okay, then you see, okay, if you ask me right now, bulls have the upper hand. Bears are in control overall, but bulls right now have the upper hand, okay? If we can break above 0.34, close any daily above it, we are gonna see 0.38. So that's XRP. Let me warn you though, guys, from this point here, there is bearish divergence. Right from here to here, there is bearish divergence. I can imagine us testing these areas. We'll see. We'll see if we can break out of it, or we could just, test it and then come back down. If we test it and come back down, then it means, yeah, like it's just, within this range doing this, probably nothing else. Let me try something else, just a moment. Oh, interesting. Guys, could you give me just like 2 minutes so I can tweet that I'm live? I keep on forgetting. Like 2 minutes. I'll be back. Enjoy the music and chill and look at the charts. Let me put Bitcoin on for you guys and we'll get back to XRP, okay? I am guessing 10 minutes chart is more interesting. So for anyone who's watching, keep on an eye on the candles. Well, whatever you like, but you see how it's like very critical we hold these areas. So we are holding so far, but we break 20,982. See you somewhere here again. Okay, I'll be back. Yeah, TA is dangerous. It's like a trap. It just traps you. You can't do even anything else when you start with it. Okay, I'll be back, okay? Sup guys, I'm back. Hope you didn't wait too long. I had to make some more tea. That's why it took like some minutes more. So, okay. Bitcoin is holding, right? Yeah? Okay, good. It's not giving anybody any heart attack. So, let's get back to XRP. Look at the fight here. Let's look at the 1 minute. Touched, touched, rejected, and we are fighting. The fight is real. Look at XRP. We are very overbought on the minutely chart though. 4 hourly RSI is in bullish territories. So more upside might come. That might win just because of the RSI and all the bullish indications going on. What's going on with XRP? Is there any news? Any fundamentals going on? Nah, I think it's just a relief rally after all this chaos. Let's just break out. We break out of 0.34. It's going to be like what Bitcoin did, what Ethereum did, what like all these coins we've been speaking about did. So good. Okay. XRP is looking nice. Very nice. Even XRP Bitcoin is looking good. Wow. Wow, what a bullish candle. Wow, so many nice reverse. Look at this doji. Do we have bearish divergence here? I mean bullish divergence? Yes, we do. Not on the RSI, but on the MACD, definitely, yes. I think I drew these lines a long time ago. These lines you see here. And it's been respecting it. Like we can't, like when was the last time you saw XRP at 3,720 Satoshis? Last year, May. Could this be the year it actually breaks out? I don't know. We held critical levels. Good. Keep like we held nice levels. Ooh, danger, danger. Danger, danger. Yeah, of course, of course. Golden level around these areas. Keep an eye on it. 1,842 Satoshis. Keep an eye. We break out of that, we will speak about next levels, which I think is around 2,000. You can double check. Yeah, we break that. Look out for 2,300, 2,400, I guess. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 2,200, just to be like on the safe side. Okay, that was XRP. Let's have a look at mana. What happened with mana since last time? Wait, was I looking at XRP BTC on the weekly? Oh yeah. Let's have a look at the daily, sorry. That was long term. That was long term. Wait, let's look at daily. Daily, we do have bearish divergence, so please be cautious. Very cautious, okay? Daily divergence is real. It's too real. It looks like we have a good, nice resistance around these areas, okay? If we cannot close above it, this bearish divergence is happening. It can fail, but it looks like it's building. Like there was weakness here. It didn't go down, like some type of indecision, but it's holding these levels. 1,560. Let's do this. Critical areas. So we break out of these areas, expect us to go back down. To at least 1,400 Satoshis or something around these areas. But we break this, if we break that, see around 1,750 Satoshis. This is daily because I was looking at weekly before, that's why like, so forget that, but see around, yeah, 1,750 Satoshis. If we break, we can just do this. I think around these areas we could double fib it just to be sure. Not to be sure, but just to see if there's anything aligning with this. Yeah, yeah, there is. So around these areas, okay? Right by the moving averages, right here by the long-term moving average, 1,650 and upwards. And then reverse probably back to the downside and hold these areas because it looks like we're losing it. It was a nice, let's see what gave you any confirmation to go in at these levels. Okay. There is no bullish divergence on the MACD, but there is on the RSI. You can barely see it, but there is on the RSI. Okay, and it's played out. And then we had, after this downtrend, if you see this, I can just do this. This is pure education, guys. Look at this. It started like holding this line, you see? And we never went below it. Like this gave you some type of confirmation, like it's going higher. and it's going higher and not lower anymore. And then we retest these levels. We never broke out of it, and then we just went up. On the daily, you couldn't like miss it because there was bullish divergence here. We did go lower. Yes, this can happen. This is normal, but look at the bullish divergence. And then bam. What candle wise, if you ask me, you could just see after this strong downtrend here, there was some kind of, fight going on, a lot of indecision going on. And this shooting star, I mean, it's not a shooting star, it's an inverted hammer. It kind of like played out this one, all these played out because look at this candle. It took all of these candles out, okay? So there you go, your bullish factors. You can try these at like in any market, what I'm talking about, and you will see like how it makes sense. How sometimes it even like helps you if at least like I think it helps me like be ahead of most people. Most people that are like not used to TA and stuff. I mean, people who do TA probably see it like I do, but most people who do not like and even some that like your competition in general, it keeps you ahead of your competition, okay? Whoever your competition is. Okay, so XRP, be cautious. We are around the, supply levels, so cautious. It was a nice ride. Okay, Cardano. Of course, I can never find it that easy. Cardano, okay, here. Okay, guys, like we are still, like, the bears are still, when it comes to Cardano, I mean, if this bullish divergence plays out, ooh, it's gonna be a strong one. We are like in bearish territories on the RSI. There is bullish divergence building, not complete, but it's building, okay? There's no divergence on the 4-hourly, no bearish, no bullish. RSI is neutral, but bears look like they have like the upper hand here when it comes to Cardano USDT. But we are ranging within this box, like we're stuck there. Unless at least we get above the heart line. Sorry guys, just a minute. Unless we get above the heart line, like it's difficult to say much. But as long as we are above these levels, I guess we're okay. 0.45 levels, we're fine. But if we break down, like there's lower levels waiting for us, so. But look at this. We are above this parallel channel. We will see if it plays out as a bull flag. We are outside of it, so keep an eye. I guess daily, like midterm, like it's not looking that bad. I don't know how, I don't know why. Like there is, I've been saying this, there is some sort of strength in Ethereum versus USDT and Today I'm seeing in alts versus USDT. Otherwise, it's been alts versus BTC, most alts at least. So yeah, this is Cardano. Okay, and Cardano BTC. I don't think a lot of streamers do this, because I've been like looking around these days for the first time in a long time, and I don't see a lot talk about Bitcoin and alts. Maybe it's not so interesting, but I think it's interesting. Hmm. Yeah, Cardano looks like it's heading back down. Yeah. We break the short-term moving average, we're probably gonna come back and test these areas again. So we break around 2000 satoshis, we go lower. If we close below it, of course, if we close below 2100 or 2000 satoshis. I don't like this strong downtrend going on, and I mean, hopefully if this candle takes out this one, okay, there is some type of hope. I do see, let's do this. We are still like, it's still in a downtrend, so give it some time. I mean, we already did this. If you were watching the show around, I think it was around these areas, not here, no, around these areas. I did say this one, like, yeah, it kind of confirmed, like, we took out many candles that were looking horrible, like a bearish candle before it, and it went above it and closed above it, and then when we broke this level, it looked like we were going a little bit higher. But all of these are, especially when it comes to alts versus USDT, it's just short relief rally. And ADA Bitcoin is absolutely not strong as Matic Bitcoin, which shredded it like a few hours after we spoke about Matic Bitcoin. Matic versus Bitcoin. Look at this. Perfection. Perfection. So if ADA USDT does something like that, because we had that range, if it comes back and touches the parallel channel and then bounces off it, we good. That's why I'm saying, like, I don't know why, but it's not looking bad. Like midterm, maybe there's something going on, like, but it looks like there is some strength, but it could fail. It could fail if Bitcoin goes down. But if there's something strong fundamentally going on, it could also thrive. So we will see. But look at Matic versus Bitcoin. That's why I said Cardano is not even close when it comes to strength. So we held this like line pretty good, okay? So we had a hammer. Look, we can zoom in. So we had a hammer, then we had an inverted hammer. Then like there's so much like after this strong downtrend, okay? And then what happens? This candle comes and closes above like half of this one, okay? It closes above it. We go down, we never close below this line. We go up and we shred it. We shred it. That's where I got the confirmation. When we closed above this line, okay, we're going up. And then on top of that, we were losing what do you call? We were losing bearish momentum on the MACD, okay? And then on the hourly, where was it? On the hourly, we had a lot of indecision candles after this downtrend. So there was like fights going on, you know, like bulls fighting the bears. And you can see a lot of wicks and small bodies and all that. Okay, so I should like stop repeating all the things I've been saying in the past streams. I have a tendency to keep on explaining stuff in case, you know, some people are new. But anyways, short term, moving average is crossing, has already crossed midterm and is crossing long term right now as well, okay? We are, let's see now. We are about to come to golden zones right around the midterm, around 3000. But the real resistance, if you ask me, is around these areas. Okay, so we do have resistance around 3361. So keep an eye on it. I expect it to go back down since it's, you know, resistance areas. But we never know. Just keep an eye on it. Better to be safe than late. But daily candles are looking exquisite. Like it's looking awesome. So many bullish like candles. Like, but yes, if we can't break above 3557, that's why I'm saying there's resistance here. This is gonna turn out to be a bearish divergence, okay? And we are coming to overbought territories, okay? We are getting there on the daily, so cautious. I would say to myself it would be good like taking some profit here, probably if I was in. Cautious. 4 hourly. There is also bearish divergence there. Yeah, guys, be cautious. Like it was a nice run. Like since I said, well, it's a nice time like to get in probably. 46%. Of course, it's not financial advice. I was just saying, like, if I would go in, this would be a nice place I'd go in at right here on the bounce. On the bounce. The moment I saw this candle being taken off, this one, I'm in. If you like, if you don't want to be that safe, the moment it bounces off this one with a green candle, okay. Like we closed above it. We closed above it. And how fast that did that happen? One day, 46%. So look, imagine like if you would have had like something in it, you would have made 46% plus today in a day. in a bear market. Imagine doubling your bitcoins in a bear market. So that's Matic. We can have a look at Matic USDT as well, so we don't forget the other half. Matic USDT, we are in very critical levels. Very. Watch out. Okay, let's look at the indicators and stuff. There's bearish divergence forming already. We could get rejected at these areas. There is strong resistance, very strong resistance. And this bearish divergence on the MACD happening, but it's not complete and we have positive momentum. And on the RSI, we are above neutral levels, heading into bullish territory zones. So daily Matic is not looking bad, and I mean, if we break above 0.682 and we can close above it, this bearish thing happening right now is going to be invalid, okay? We do have resistance around 0.663, so keep an eye on it. Guys, this is clear bearish divergence. Be careful, be cautious now. Matic USDT. I mean, it can come higher. It can come and test like 0.627, 0.650. But be cautious. There's clear bearish divergence, and if that happens, yeah, exactly there, of course. See you around 0.476, 0.4 6, 0.47, 0.46 levels, like this. If this doesn't hold, yeah, see you at next levels. But looking at the daily, like I wouldn't want to go short, but looking at the 4-hourly, I wouldn't mind like going short instead, just like short term, just zero, like till 0.47. I mean, no. Where is the, let's say you get it somewhere. What the, you get it somewhere here. Yeah, I'd keep it something like this. Okay, Matic USDT, be cautious, okay? I see many bearish factors I do not like. Candlesticks are looking good, but Western indicators are saying otherwise. And on the hourly, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, this was a shooting star that failed, but cautious. Let's see if this candle closes like this. That wouldn't be good. By the way, guys, if you like this show so far at 3:19 a.m. in Europe, smash that like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think, where you're from, and hit that bell, by the way, so you don't miss my next live stream. Like, I try to go live like daily. I still haven't decided what time I'm gonna be like sticking to, but I'm figuring it out slowly. So okay, that's Matic. What else? FTM. What's going on with FTM? Okay. Looks like we held. It's played out the way we were speaking about, like one of the probabilities. Us actually never breaking below this trend line and just continuing up, like having some sideways action. There is no bearish divergence yet on FTM. There is none, okay? Strange, yes. Very strange. Like, I thought we'd have like some more side action, but TA does what TA wants. Anyways, we are about to come to bullish zones on the RSI. I'd still be cautious because we are in critical areas. Let's see if we can at least close above this one. And then I'd be like, okay, probably it's gonna continue up. So anyone who still didn't take profit, like is or took only 50% profit, is like happy holding the other 50 or something. But we were looking at this when it was at 957 or something. I don't, somewhere around these areas. And I said, guys, this is gonna be fire, fire. And it was indeed fire. For hourly, there is bullish divergence building. You heard what I said. There is bullish divergence building on the 4 hourly. Strange much? Yes. Like, it's looking strong. It's looking strong. So anybody who are not looking at alts versus BTC, keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. Imagine not like watching this stream and not knowing about this. If I watched this stream later, I'd be pissed off. But anyways, I mean, I'd be pissed off because I could have like known about this, but yeah. So Phantom BTC is not still looking bad. I guess we could see we break out of 1,400. See you at 1,700 Satoshis. Phantom. You heard it. Phantom is looking good. Okay, next. Shall we have a look at Phantom USDT? Yes. Still holding critical levels. It's on the uptrend, obviously. I don't really see any resistance until Yeah, until these levels. Except for 0.31. So, okay, this is Phantom USDT. There is no bearish divergence on the daily. There's no, I mean, bullish divergence is playing out, but I don't see any it's looking okay. So far, it's looking okay. We are in bearish territories on the RSI. 4-hourly. Also bullish divergence on the 4-hourly, guys. It's not looking bad. Alts have some strength. We are in bullish territory on the RSI, on the 4-hourly. So I guess it's telling us it wants to go up a little bit more. Maybe come and test 0.29 levels again. Or 0.3 levels, somewhere here. Yeah, okay, good. Like we are just beginning with the positive momentum on the 4-hourly, and our size in bullish territories, and candles are looking okay so far. Thing is, we're still below this trend line. You guys can see. So yeah, otherwise, until except for 0.31 level, that resistance until 0.39 levels, I don't see any like this. These are the targets I'm going for if we break 0.31, okay? And if we break below these levels, you see what's waiting for us as support next time. So that's FTM USDT. What else? Aave Bitcoin. We are gonna go to Aave USDT as well soon. But Aave Bitcoin hit critical levels, got rejected. Now we are below this other critical level around 0.003389 Satoshis. But the good thing is we are above this trend line. What I don't like is, well, we just started, so hopefully this won't. If a candle ends like this after an uptrend, be careful, guys, okay? But this is just starting, the daily is just starting, so we will see what happens. I mean, not just starting, it's been a few hours, but you know what I mean. Right, RSI is above neutral levels, nothing special. The bullish divergence is like playing out. We'll see what happens now, but we are above this line, which is very crucial. 4-hourly showing bullish divergence. And we held, wow, when you look at it closer like this, are you seeing we are holding right now? And I like this candle. I like this hammer, and then this bullish candle after it. But we do have resistance here of it. Well, this was around the short-term target areas. I had it somewhere here. I didn't think it would come this fast, but I can just pull it to this side so you guys can see it's like the same. Okay, let me just do this. So anyways, if we break out of this level and we can close at least above 3,635 Satoshis, next areas are on these areas, okay? We can discuss Aave BTC more next time too. Now Aave USDT is looking also good, not looking bad. Fast picture, downtrend. holding a range here. Seems like we can draw a Okay, guys, we do have some type of resistance around $70, but if we break that, if we can break that, see around, I guess 190 at least. Yeah, around 90, like $86, somewhere there. Long-term moving average. I just saw it with my eyes because of, you see, if you look left. But yeah, around $90, 80, like 86, $90, somewhere around these areas. If we can break out of around $70 and close above it, okay? But right now we are ranging, and I like this inverted head and shoulders thing going on. If you can see that, looks kind of nice. I can highlight it real fast for you guys. What the? Wrong one, wrong one. There you go. Not bad. But if we can't break out of, if we can't break out of $70, we'll see what happens. At least we are above this like crucial level, $66 right now. Okay, we are above it, so that's good. I think it looks weak though. It looks weak. It looks weak. I don't know. I don't trust it right now. Be cautious, guys. We can easily come back to $61, $60, like, and test these areas. We do have some type of support here. Yeah, so as long as we can hold above these levels, we'll see what's going on. Like I think it would shift to the upside. We have hidden, like we have inverted HNS, and I like this bullish engulfing candle. We are building positive momentum on the daily and on the 4 hourly as well. So I like it, but I think it might take some time. But if we can't break out of 70, like I can see us coming to 70 easily, but if we can't break out of it, we won't see 90. We won't see $86, okay? We have to break out of 70 and hold above it and open a daily above it as well. Otherwise, support levels around 71 seems like right now. So it could go down and we can come and touch $61, but chances look like we might go up first before going down. But we will see. If Bitcoin decides to screw you over, so that will be the end of the story. Wait, why is XRP suddenly up 9? Like, what the hell? Guys, this is happening live. It touched the target to the point. Do you guys see this? No, probably nobody's seeing this because nobody's watching right now. But to those who are gonna see this, guys, man, such beauty, such beauty. But what's going on with XRP? 9%. Like, what the? Wow. Who said bear markets are like boring? That's not true. If you know where to look, it's not boring. Like, it's far from boring. Hit golden levels. Hit my TA target, and we hit golden levels, and we are kind of like acting out right now around these areas. Around these areas, let me just highlight. Wow, XRP. Around these areas, okay? Wow, wow, wow. Like, I'm amazed how, like, that went fast. I'm not amazed that it happened. I'm amazed about how that went fast. I was just saying, like, it's looking good and I don't know what, and yeah. Some sort of inverted head and shoulders here too, so, wow, XRP. Welcome back to life. Who's giving it life now? Somebody, one of you guys is like sitting down and buying like XRP. Which one of you guys is it giving it life? Anyways, I think we've had a look at many different altcoins. And nice to see targets are hitting while we are live. Let me just change this music to some hype music. Okay. Whoa, just like everything, like, what is going on? Did we talk about mana? I think we did, right? I think we did. No, we didn't. We didn't. Guys, mana, keep an eye. Keep an eye. If we break these areas, if we break 0.9 level and we close above it, mana, the central land, this is happening. I think I know, but I want to be sure. See you around these levels. 1.1, 1.14. See you somewhere there. All levels where we got rejected last time. So see you somewhere there, okay? And we break that. We break the 1.12 level. See you at 1.37. Next area. And we break that. My fam and friends, see you at around $2. Yep. You see, like, crucial areas here. Let me mark it. Okay? Okay. Finished with mana USDT. What else? What else? I think like we're good for now, right? I mean, gone through some more than I thought I would. Dodge still inside some type of wedge. We are seeing bearish divergence on Dodge BTC. We are way above critical levels. We are holding nice support around 302 levels, 303, 302 levels. Look left. Okay. If you look here, it's the same levels we were holding at these areas as well. So we're holding now too. If this continues, see you around 330, 350 Satoshis. Okay, guys, I think this is going good. By the way, guys, thank you for the likes. I see those new likes. If you're new, welcome to the show. So, Bitcoin is shredding it. Bitcoin is shredding it. I was so focused on the chart, I actually forgot to look at the chat section and if there were likes and stuff. But yeah. Happy you're here. Good luck, Jay. So nice to see some people here. Oh my god. Where are you from? Bitcoin, come on. Let's have a look at the 10-hour chart. USA, I'm from Europe, so I'm up at 3:44 a.m. I hope you're enjoying the show. Okay, let's see if this trend line on the short term holds. You should check out this new token M87. What is it for? What do they do? Is it on TradingView? Is it possible to see the charts on it? Okay, guys, like I see some type of ascending triangle on the 10-minute chart. Like, this is not bad. Yeah, DEX tools. I haven't heard of it, but we can have a look. I'll have a look at it. CMC or Coin Gecko. Okay. We can just have a fast glance. M87. Is it this one? But it doesn't like there is no peer against the USDT or Bitcoin or anything like that though. Whoa. Oh, it's very new. Okay, you guys know that this is like most people wouldn't do it because they think it's a pain, but let's see what we can do. It's always fun with challenges, right? So we are holding, seems like we are holding demand zone. There is demand. Even though it's new, it's showing there is demand. A lot of wicks to the upside. Let me go to the hourly. It's so broken, it's difficult to see. But we are making higher lows, holding a trend. This is what I call fast charting. Okay, so I take it back. We are below a trend, but we are holding a trend still. So looks like we were like bulls fought. There is some type of demand at these areas, but until we get back above at least 6 something wrapped ETH, not much to say. Then I see it going probably to 9 or something, but this just, we're just playing with it. This is just fun, but it's always difficult to chart something this new. But I like TA, that's why I'm doing it either way. But yeah, I'll read about it next time. Maybe next time we're on the live stream, I can tell you my thoughts or something. But I'm not a fundamental analyst, so I'm more into TA, but I can always check it out. So thank you for letting me know. M87. It's always like, even if I don't buy them, it's always good to know, and I always just check it out and like discuss with you guys my thoughts and opinions. I'd love to. No problem. That's all right. Good luck. Good luck, Jay. I hope you've subscribed and stuff. So I'll see you probably next time when I have my thoughts, when I'm back with the thoughts. So, okay, let's get back to the king. What was I saying? I saw an ascending triangle on the 10-minute. It's 10-minute, like take it with a salt of grain, but I do see it. I do see it. Thank you for the sub. Good luck, Jay. Appreciate it. Like, is it late? No, it's... What time is it in the US right now? I mean, Bitcoin is showing a lot of strength right now. Remember, we are in a bear market. We are still in a bearish sentiment when it comes to the market. But of course, we're gonna have a little short relief rally. And if you can make money out of it, if you can learn something from it, why not, right? So ascending triangle on 10-minute chart. If we break below it, of course, it's gonna be invalid. But, you know, ascending triangles tell us probabilities are we might go up if we break out of this area. Seems to be very strong resistance around 21,200, 21,160. So it's a challenge. It's really a challenge right now. What about ETH? Ethereum. Okay, I don't like this 10-minute chart. It is, I mean, it looks more of a rising wedge than anything else. And shooting star, strong red candle. You know, I don't like this. You guys see why, right? Is there anything indicating a short mini reversal, something like that? Or is the short relief rally over? So hourly Ethereum. I don't like this. No, two shooting stars. Like, if this can close above this level, fine, we're kind of safe. If it closes below, yeah. But hey, like, don't forget short-term moving average is above, but the other one is catching up. Midterm is catching up. It's crossing, and this is not a bullish thing if it goes above it. If it goes above the short term, it's not like a bullish signal. So Link, just there's so much to have a look at. We're still ranging. Seems like there is strength, like there is some sort of strength. I mean, bulls are fighting. But if we come back to this level against 7.33 and we can't close any candle above it and open a new one above it, like we won't see $8 or 7.9. So we gotta be like playing the range until then. There's no other way. Okay, Bitcoin, critical areas. What's going on the 10 minutes? Because I want to see if if it breaks this trend line to the downside. We have nice support around 21,000 short term. If it breaks, there is a heavy chance we come back and test 20,700 again. And if we break that, you guys know the story. Yeah, we're probably gonna come back and test this area. So okay guys, I think it's been a nice, awesome stream. Thank you for the likes, for the new viewers, for the subscribes. Good luck, Jay. I might give you a shout out later, but I don't know how this stream things work. But I'm giving you a shout out with my own voice right now. So thank you for subscribing and welcome. And keep on smashing that like button, guys, and subscribe and comment. Let me know what you think about the market. And as we speak, hourly candle is looking like something I don't want to look at, really. I see resistance, like stronger resistance than here around 21.5. But if we go, like if we close below 21,000, 20,981, something like that, yeah, expect a bit more pullback first. Looks like we're breaking it. Anyways, you see why, guys? I get stuck in the show. TA is my sickness. I get stuck. Anyways, take care. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the love. I'll see you on the next stream. And don't forget, guys, follow my my Twitter account, and keep up to date with YouTube shorts, because I do put shorts out with fast updates sometimes, like before, you know, the moment Bitcoin started like confirming like we were having some type of a breakout. I did talk about it. So keep up to date, stay safe, a lot of love from me, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push back.